Hi everybody, today I'll show you how to set white background in Instagram story. So let's begin. So first of all what we have to do, we have to tap on the plus icon here, and now you'll be able to see that we are actually in our Instagram story, and now you'll be able to see our camera here. So we can simply capture a picture here by tapping on the button. Alright, so now what you have to do here to set white background in Instagram story, you have to tap on these three dots here as you can see here on the top right corner, and you have to tap on the draw, and you have to select the white color here, and now you have to tap and hold on the screen, and now you'll be able to see that we are having white background in our Instagram story. So we can simply click on done here, and we can simply upload our story right now. So now when I simply tap on this button, we're going to click on share, we're going to click on done. Now if I just tap on my profile picture here, you will be able to see the Instagram story with the white background. So this is how you can set white background in the Instagram story. So if you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel.